Hello, Moj Barry here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to show you a website that pays you to your Bitcoin wallet or Ethereum wallet or Litecoin or Dogecoin wallet or Google Pay or Apple Pay or many different other ways, and even PayPal, for doing some basic stuff that anyone can do without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without any investment. And they have around 6 million monthly visitors, and they have a pretty solid foundation in their business, so they are well known and very trustworthy. How much money can you make? There are two ways to make money: active way and passive way. In a moment I'm going to show you both, but I will show you the active way first so you can make money right away, and then I will show you the passive way, which takes one more step. And my free software, no, my premium software, free for my YouTube viewers, link in the description, will help you get there 100% free. So I will show you step by step how to use this website, how to subscribe, and how to make money right away, including passive and active income. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you support this channel, you support our effort to help you make money online. And we are also always giving away our premium softwares free for our YouTube viewers. This way, by your getting your likes, shares, and subscriptions, and also notifications, we can continue to shoot these awesome videos and help a lot of people. And also one more thing, we request you to use the share button and share this video with all of your friends and family, whoever you think can be benefited from these videos and are really looking to make money online. Use your social media channels, your email, your WhatsApp, and let everybody know about our videos. This way, with your help, we can help a lot of people with our videos, our effort, our softwares. You will be known as a good person who sincerely want to help others. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button, and hit the share button to share this video with everyone, and this way you get notified by YouTube when we will upload our next video. Okay, let's make some money from this website. We are on freecash.com. First of all, go through the landing page and see what their offer is, what they are all about, because you're going to spend substantial amount of time on this, or at least you're going to do something on this website and contribute to their traffic, contribute to their business. So before you take action, you should have a clear look about what they are, what they do, and how especially you are going to make money. Here are some amazing stats. Average time until user makes first cash out, which is 17 minutes. Well, if I make my first income from 17 minutes, it is so awesome. And average money earned by users yesterday is $17. So average user means the almost lowest category user, with someone completely without any experience, right? $17 for the beginner is super good. Now get started, you have to choose a task, complete the task, and receive coins. Coins equals a kind of cash in their term that you can cash out as PayPal, Cash, or Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or Dogecoin, or any other ways they pay out. There is a clear description of how to make money on free cash. Go read it. How much money can you really earn on free cash? Although they mention $1,000 plus each month, this can easily be $5,000 per day if you stick to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you the passive way to make money from this website. If you need their help, their live support is always online 24/7. Quick bullet points about features and benefits, how you can make money and how you can cash out. Registration is extremely easy. Click the register button on the top right corner, enter your email address, enter your username, your password, and confirm password, and click register. Once you register your account and activate the account by clicking the link in the email they sent you, all you have to do is to go through, find some task, and do it. Most of the tasks are very interesting. You can play games, you can spin wheels, you can register other websites, whatever they ask you to do. and earn coins. These are the methods you can cash out: PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or instead you can use Amazon gift card, Google Pay, Apple Pay. So many ways to get paid here. Here is the survey section. Click the CPX research, and these are the surveys. Every survey will give you coins. A lot of coins, thousands of coins. And interestingly, all these surveys are simply clicks. You have to choose from multiple choice answers. Now this one, are you currently living in United Arab Emirates? I would just have to click yes or no. Then another question, I have to choose yes or no. That's it. After these couple of simple questions, you get to the real survey. And again, all you have to do is to click and select the current or applicable answer for you, and just go and click the next button. For the next question, click the right answer again and click the next button. But unfortunately, sometimes this kind of things happen that they say the partner is looking for another target group for your efforts. They give you some bonus coins. So whether you complete the task or not, you gain some coins. But don't worry, even if this happens or whatever happens, people are making thousands of dollars from here, and you can make it too, and it can be completely passive. And I will show you in a moment how to make complete passive income from this website. And that passive income system can also take you to the leaderboards, where you can make $500 daily free for being on top of the leaderboards, and 2,500 extra bonus per month. But this is only possible with the passive income system that I'm about to share with you. Now let's talk about how to make passive income and a lot of money. Again, a lot of money, passive income. How? The way I just showed you is active. You have to do whatever you are doing, whether you're enjoying or not, whether it's just a few clicks, type a few words, but you have to actively do those stuff in order to earn points, earn money. But the easiest and the most passive and the most scalable way, and it's being done by thousands of other people, I'll show you in a moment, is called a referral. So here is where referral is hiding. You see my user ID is on the top right corner. Just beside my name, if you click on this little drop down button, it's very tiny, you'll find this section called affiliates. Here they mention that share your referral link and earn 5% of all offers completed by your users. Your referred users will also receive 100 coins as a welcome bonus, and this is your referral link. So you should copy this link and save it somewhere, and then you should send visitors to this link. Or in other words, you should share this link with your friends, family, social media, contacts, whoever you think are looking to make money this way. So the selling point to them is it's free to join and free to make money. And number two, as soon as you join, as soon as your referred users join, they will get 100 coins free bonus. This is awesome, right? Now let's say you have limited number of friends and family and social media contacts. Maybe you have 0. Okay, don't worry about it, because I'm going to show you how you can get literally thousands and thousands of referrals. But the good news, it's also completely passive. You don't have to work. Link in the description will give you my software that will do the rest for you. But let me show you how it works. But before going there, let me show you how others are making money this way. Well, this is the analytics of freecash.com, which is now from here you can see how many visitors they have per month. They have 6 million monthly visitors. And if you look at the details of their traffic, 67% direct traffic, which means these people, 67% of 6 million visitors already know them, and they come directly to their website and to earn coins and money. But 26%, which means around 1.5 million monthly visitors, are referral visitors. So they come from the referrers. These are the referrers, okay, a few of the referrers. Why referral? And why so many referrals coming to this website? Because the referrers, the referring website or the referrers are making easy and passive money from here. So they keep sending a lot and traffic. And every time those users earn some points, the referrers gain 5% of all offers completed by the users. This is the best passive income ever. The only thing the referrers are doing are sending all the traffic to their referral link, and that is it. Super cool. Okay, now how can you get referrals, or how can you get visitors or traffic? I highly recommend, because we are using this on day-to-day basis, Pinterest. Now for Pinterest, this is just an example. Go to hairstyle and look at this particular website. It's a simple image. You're thinking where this image came from and how can you get this image? Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you. It's absolutely free. If you click on this link, you will visit this website. Again, oh my God, is it a website? How can I make this website? Wait, it's absolutely simple. I'll come to that, and my software will help you get there. Pinterest is an amazing social media website. They have around 1 billion for billion monthly visitors, and they are very active and they are known as buyers, so action takers. Pinterest allows you to share your links with the images that you share. So these guys, when they share this image on Pinterest, they also share their link, which is this link. It's a blog post link. Now this blog is made on WordPress. If you go down below, you see proudly powered by WordPress. And this is such an amateur website that they did not even remove this text, which is a default text for all WordPress sites. And if you scroll through this website, it's pretty basic, simple headline, simple little text and images. Now, oh my God, where can I get those images? They are borrowed images. You see, photo credit is given to this Instagram account. This came from this Instagram account. So they are using social media images to fill their website with content. And then they share these images with Pinterest, and Pinterest is sending them traffic. Where is the traffic? Here is the traffic. Look at this. This blog has 125,000 monthly visitors, and they have 39% search traffic. Don't worry, I will show you how the search traffic comes, and 50% social traffic. All the social traffic are coming from Pinterest. Super awesome. Now, what my software does, it allows you to create blogs like this without you ever writing a single word or ever creating a single content. And then this software will automatically share your images with Pinterest, and Pinterest will send you traffic. Now, how can you get more and more traffic just like them? 125,000 visitors. Look at this. When social media starts sending traffic, that traffic will end up to your website or blog, and they keep checking, and then they go to other contents of your website. Once they start visiting more and more of your contents, Google takes notice using their AI algorithm or artificial intelligence, and they know that your website is an authority website. It contains good information. So Google or search engines will push your website and give you higher ranking. This way, you start getting traffic from Google as well. Again, when your traffic will come to your website from Google, they will find the links, although I don't find the social media links on this website, but you should always use that. You should always connect your social media accounts with your website, so Google traffic will also visit your social media through those links. So there is a full circle of social media traffic and Google traffic. Now, more and more traffic will tell both the algorithms, the social media algorithm and Google algorithm, that this is a good website. People are staying here for a long time, and people are coming from other websites to their website. People are coming from this website to Pinterest. So Pinterest will say, the Pinterest algorithm will say, this is a good website, send more traffic to it. They're sending traffic back. And Google will say, oh yeah, awesome, this website is an authority website. When people visit that website, they spend long time on this website, so this is a good one, you see. So Google keeps sending more and more traffic. So you get free 100% free traffic without creating a single content, simply by using my software, and link in the description. It's 100% free. Go get it, use it, and get all the traffic you want from Pinterest and Google automatically free, and drive all your traffic to your referral link. When they make money, you make 5%. Super cool? Go do it. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you can make money online. All you have to do is to hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button in order to support this channel, as this way we get support by you, and YouTube knows that this is a good video. They will show this video to more other people. We will be able to help more other people, and you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Also, don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and your contacts on social media, as this way you will be able to help others learn how to make money online, and you will be known as a good person who sincerely wants to help others. So go ahead, like, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and social media contacts. And we will see you in the next video.